My name is Cisco Lerma, and I am the owner of EBA Automotive here in Allen, Texas. What made me start a career as a mechanic? I don't think I chose that. I think it chose me. When I was a kid, I would start taking my toys apart, or appliances or whatnot. I just needed to know what made those things work. So that naturally fits into the automotive world, because there's a lot of moving parts and pieces and systems. And so one thing led to another, and that's how the career chose me. What made me start EBA Automotive? So basically, I've worked for multiple shops. Some of them were chain type companies, and some of them were, small mom and pop shops. But the bad things that were happening in the industry are one of the main reasons that made me decide to open EBA Automotive. I just wanted a place where people could take their cars and be at peace, somebody they could trust, in a place where the repairs were being done at a good quality level. So starting EBA Automotive was taking a leap into uncertainty. I remember we were searching Craigslist for used equipment, and I basically used all my savings that I had from years, buying whatever equipment we could have, get a hold of, just transporting it. We set it up ourselves. We were looking for a location. It was just piecing together whatever we could to get the business started. I had a good customer base, basically people that knew me and trusted me and followed me. And the rest is history. It's all based on referrals and trust. It's become a staple in the community. We are recognized for being one of the most trusted shops, and that feels good. EBA Automotive is not just any other business. It's not just any other repair shop. EBA Automotive really is a part of myself, and I love that we can give back to the community by giving the best service, and by giving trust, and by being transparent with the people of Allen and the surrounding communities. One of the ways we are transparent with the repairs we do is we actually have systems that will capture photos and images, and these we can send to you so you can see actually what it is that's happening with your car, and you can see what you're paying for. We have something called an EVI, or an every vehicle inspection. And so this inspection contains images, it contains videos, and it gives you a better look, and it gives you an overall view of your car, the overall health, so that you can better know what your car needs, where is it at. We will help you prioritize what the repairs that should be next, and the repairs that may wait, what is maintenance, what is not. So our advisors are there to help you with these things if you don't already know, and this is another way that you should feel at ease when you come to visit us.